Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kalpana and you're watching my YouTube channel Pharmacy Lessons Made Easy. This video is about free Google certification course. At this time when we all are at home, we can invest our time in learning new skills and acquiring new knowledge. Although the knowledge may be interdisciplinary as well. As we know, playing video games, spending time on social media, doing TikTok, posting on Instagram may not help us improving our CV as well as knowledge. So, let's utilize our resources and time to learn new skills and certified by one of the industry leader, Google. This is my certificate of successful completion awarded by Google Analytics Academy. It took me just 4 hours to complete this free course. It has a validity of 3 years. In this video, I shall tell you about the details of this course and how to get your own certificate by Google Analytics Academy. So on the Google, you just have to type Google Analytics for beginners. This type of window will appear and you have to click here, Google Analytics for beginners. This will redirect you to a course like this. You just have to continue from here. This will show you about the course overview. The whole course is actually divided into 4 units or modules. Unit 1 is about introducing Google Analytics, which has 4 different lessons. Lesson 1 says why digital analytics, that means the importance, how Google Analytics works. Google Analytics setup is described in lesson 3 and how to set up views with filters is described in lesson 4. Unit 2, which is about the Google Analytics interface, speaks about lesson 1, navigating Google Analytics, lesson 2, understanding overview reports, lesson 3, understanding full reports, lesson 4, how to share reports, lesson 5, how to set up dashboard and shortcuts. In unit 3, it talks about basic reports and is subdivided into 3 different lessons. Lesson 1 talks about the audience report, lesson 2 talks about the acquisition reports, and lesson 3 talks about the behavior reports. And the fourth module, that is basic campaign and conversion tracking, is divided into 5 different lessons. That lesson 1 talks about how to measure custom campaigns. Lesson 2 talks about tracking campaigns with the URL builder. Lesson 3 talks about use goals to measure the business objectives. Lesson 4 talks about how to measure Google Ads campaign. And lesson 5 talks about the course review and next steps. So once you will go through this and after entering, there will be a message which will be displayed, that is welcome to Analytics Academy. It will ask you a few questions like which describe your job role, which best describe your online business. I would like to receive Analytics Academy updates or course reminders. That way you have to answer them and you can move to the next step. In the next step, it is not a mandatory step. You can skip it although, but it is a pre-course survey for the Google Analytics beginners. Once you finish this one or skip this one, you'll be having a course displayed over there. You can check your progress on the left hand side of this Google Analytics Academy page where each and every module is specified, and once you click on a particular unit or module, you'll get the different lessons which are inside it. Once you go through it, for that you have to listen to the videos. The videos are like this. So once you complete the watching of the video, so at the end of each lesson there will be an assessment. The assessment will look like this. Okay, so there are multiple choice questions. So what you have to do, you have to score at least 80% and above marks, and there will be n number of attempts. You can attempt any number of attempts. That is quite fascinating and a good thing about this course. Now, the most important thing, how you'll get the certificate, right? So once you'll finish assessment 1, 2, 3, 4 for all the different units, that is assessment 1, assessment 2 after unit 2, assessment 3 after unit 3, assessment 4 after unit 4, you'll be able to get the certificate once you click on your tab where your name is written. You can easily get this course completed. You can download this certificate from this tab and successful certification. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do click on the like button, subscribe my channel and share it on social media. Thank you. Have a nice time.